Okay, so I'm back cooking on a budget. A friend of mine asked me to show her how to cook some tin mackerel. So here it is. I mean, this entire meal is gonna be less than $10, and it serves everybody. So that's $1.19 a can. I have 2 cans. I have a medium onion, some thyme, and a variety of bell peppers for color, and a tomato. What's left of a tomato, almost a whole tomato. I'm also going to be making some green beans, and I'll show you how to do that as well. And my lovely husband made me some dough to make some fried dumplings. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here I have everything chopped up. I have my garlic. I don't think I showed that at first. This is a little hot pepper, almost like a Scotch bonnet we grew in the garden a couple years back. Some onions, chopped up, multicolored bell peppers, tomato, and my thyme. And I also have some butter, and of course mackerel, and my green beans. So what I'm gonna do first. Okay, so in my pot, and it's a little medium saucepan, I put my frozen green beans, to which I'm gonna add some butter and actually I'm gonna add some garlic, lots of it. And some onions, about that much. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic. Okay, on the stove. I'm gonna take some butter, just what I have on hand. It's margarine. Yeah. Right now I have about this much. I don't know if you can see that. That much. Just gonna cut some butter up in here. I still have some left over. To this I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Some black pepper, ground black pepper. I cook to taste, I don't measure anything. But if you want me to do a video with a measurement, then I can comment. Please comment down below and I can add that for you. Also add in a little bit of ground ginger. Add in a little, this is Dash, and it's salt free.
Salt free?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that. You did that earlier in the video.
Mm-hmm. And all-purpose seasoning. Use what you have on hand. Make it your own. It's just how I'm making it. And of course, actually a little sea salt. Turn that on and cover that and let it simmer away. Okay, now I'm onto the mackerel. Got my pan on the stove. Add a little oil. Let that heat up for a bit. Let me get me a fork. To this pan, I'm gonna add my thyme, onion, everything's going in. I'm gonna add the garlic after, 'cause I don't want it to burn.
Oh, yeah. I said it. I said it. Did I take my gummies today?
Yes, you did.
Where's my picture?
You're gonna let that saute. You can see like everything's in there. Everything's in there right now, except for the garlic.
Get it for
Let me have the ketchup, please.
Okay, coming right up.
Yep. Thank you. Let that go. Thank you. And we're gonna add our secret ingredient later. That's not so secret.
And more.
My seasoning choice is very simple. So we can actually taste the food and everything is fresh. I don't need to complicate my taste buds. Looks good. Now that things are on the way, I'm gonna add my garlic. And let that saute some more. Blend in all these wonderful flavors together. Let that saute for a couple minutes or so. We like a little crunch to our veggies. We don't do it too long. Now I'm just opening my can of mackerel. And pouring it in. See that it got some sauce in there. Gonna rinse that out to help fill the sauce. Get all the goodness out. Open the other can and do the same thing. All that juice. Rinse it out. Now I'll be back to show you what we got. Okay guys, so here's what we're looking. We have our veggie sauteing, and it's like a very colorful dish. Veggie sauteing. We got 2 cans of mackerel and the sauce that came with it. And now we're going to add a little bit more spice. So I'm going to add to that, got our all-purpose, just a little bit. With some Mrs. Dash. Looks crazy now, I know. But the taste is amazing. I'm going to add some black pepper. And a little splash of ginger. I like to add ginger to everything because it settles our stomach. So, and of course I can't forget a little ketchup. Let's get that turned over and so all the seasoning can be mixed into that gravy. Now, of course, I had added some hot pepper to this before, but I'm going to add just a little bit more because we're eating mackerel to be a little bit spicy. So I'm adding the braised hot pepper sauce. And saute that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice sizzle. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. And let it sizzle. I'm adjusting my heat. Turn it down. Let it slow cook, and then I'll cover it and let it simmer for a couple more minutes so all those seasoning can mesh together. And we'll have a bomb tasting mackerel. Okay, there we go. Good. Everything's good. Look at that. These beans are going to be delicious when I tell you. Our dumplings are on their way. Oh, they look delicious.